This is Force 13's Australia Oceania Channel, and where severe weather is likely to impact various states later this week for Monday the 5th of August 2019. Bureau Meteorology has various warnings in place, starting off in hazardous surf warning for the Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra, Batemans and Eden coast down there in New South Wales. A strong wind warning in place, the Peninsula and Cooktown coast, and the Bureau's cancelled the one for the Torres Strait. Strong wind warning in place for the Port Phillip Bay, Western Port, West Coast, Central and Central Gippsland coast, and this is for Tuesday. However, it's Tasmania once again. Strong wind warning the southwest, central west coast, and for Tuesday they upgrade to a gale warning for the southeast, southwest coast. Now, a look at the latest Himawari 8 satellite imagery of Australia's eastern region, taking in the southwest Pacific. And the Bureau Meteorology down there in Tasmania has a road weather alert for the central, north central plateau, Midlands, east coast regions. Now here's a look at the Rainbow Himawari 8 satellite imagery of Australia's western region, and a little bit of convection flaring up over the western Papua New Guinea region. The BSCH website, it's a one of my top websites for weather information. This is a GFS Wind Probability Model, and we'll be paying attention to it, to low pressure systems. And this is from 7 a.m. through to 2200 hours Tuesday. The information's at the bottom of the screen, and here's the Bureau's total forecast of rain. The rainfall scales on the right hand side of the screen, and again it's the southern states, Victoria, west coast of Tasmania. And finally, in this update, here's a look at the Pivotal Weather website. Again, it's a GFS precipitation model, and the information's at the bottom of the screen. And what I look for is the area in purple through to dark brown. West coast of New Zealand, also an area of interest.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force 13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.